So I've been reading a few comments, and people's been wanting some sausage gravy, and I talked to the kids today, and they said they'd like to have breakfast for dinner. So we're gonna do biscuits, sausage gravy, fried potatoes, eggs maybe, something like that. So what I like to do with my sausage, when I cut open the roll, I put it in the skillet and I mash it flat. And a lot of people like to chop it up with a spatula or a hamburger smasher or something like that, but then you get stuck digging all those hamburger bits back out of your skillet when you go to make your roux for your gravy. So this is just what I like to do. I think it's easier. So take your sausage, whatever kind you like. I shred it with a fork. But yeah, it's that easy, and I'll take you guys on the stove. So we've got our sausage grease. It's heating up pretty good. Now, if your sausage didn't make enough grease, you can use oil, whatever kind you have, or something like that. Now we're going to add our flour. And if you add too much flour, add more grease, add more oil. Ain't no big deal. I'm using a whisk today to try to get those sausage bits and stuff up off the bottom of the skillet. But if you don't have one, you know, a slotted spoon, stuff like that works great. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now we're going to stir this constantly till it gets as brown as we like it. Now I like mine pretty dark brown. So I'm going to bring you guys back when I get to that point. We've got our roux to the color we want. And I think gravy tastes the best when your flour's brown. Now the darker you make your flour, the less thickening power it has. Now I've got some half and half here that's going to go bad in a few days, so I'm going to use it. It should make some pretty rich, good gravy. And if that's not enough, we'll add some milk here in a little bit. We'll probably need some of that milk. Yeah, that'll be perfect now. And remember, you can add and take away. It just depends on how thick you like it. While we're eating it on biscuits, ours are going to be pretty thick today. And we'll season this with salt and pepper to taste after we pull it off. So I'm going to add the sausage back to this. We're going to get that worked in. We need some spoon. All right, folks, sausage gravy. I'll bring you guys back when we got a plate. Now I'm going to season this with salt and pepper while we wait on everything else to get done. All right, we've got our breakfast about together. We've got us some eggs, some fried potatoes. Got our gravy done. We got some biscuits by Jake here. Probably about the unhealthiest thing you can eat, but man, if it ain't good. $100%. I could eat that every day, all day.